Meet the QL-CleanWave 2000 laser cleaning system by Quakelogic, a high-performance 2000-watt fiber laser engineered for precision surface treatment. Operating at 1070 nanometers, it effortlessly removes rust, oxides, coatings, and contaminants without damaging the underlying material. It features customizable cleaning patterns, a built-in industrial chiller, and a heavy-duty protective steel cage for mobile industrial environments. Best of all, it is a fully turnkey solution that includes a complete safety package, a 2-year warranty, on-site installation, and operator training. Contact Quakelogic today to upgrade your operations.